Looking for a fried rice recipe that is packed with flavor and protein? In this video, I'll be showing you how to make this delicious fried rice with liver and shrimp. That's perfect for family dinners, special occasions, or anytime you're craving something tasty. Chicken is also available as an additional side. Here are the ingredients that I've already prepped. In a large pot, add a small amount of cooking oil and allow it to heat up properly over a medium heat. Then add your blended spices, onion, bell peppers, and habanero pepper, and allow everything to saute together until fragrant. Now add in your seasonings. You can use any seasonings of your choice. Here I'm using white pepper, black pepper, thyme, ginger powder, pinch of salt, and give it a good mix. Now I'm adding in my pre-cooked liver and shrimp, and I will stir everything together so the flavor combine nicely. Now scoop out all the gravy and set it aside for later. Using the same pot, pour in your pre-washed rice and begin to stir fry gently to bring out the flavor. Now you can add in any seasonings of your choice. I'm using black pepper, white pepper, thyme, pinch of salt, garlic powder, and paprika for extra flavor and color. Now it's time to add in the stock that we saved from the chicken we steamed earlier and give it a good mix so everything comes together nicely. Now I'm adding some hot water, give everything a good mix, then cover it and allow it to cook until the rice is tender and flavorful. Give it another good mix, then allow it to steam. Now you see how fluffy and beautiful the rice is looking. Come closer, let me share this fried rice method with you. This cooking technique helps preserve the rice, making it last longer while still tasting fresh and delicious. Adding some butter is a way to go. It keeps the rice shining throughout. Bring in all your vegetables and give it a good mix. Now add in your gravy and give everything a good mix so the rice can absorb all those rich flavors. This fried rice is absolutely jam-packed with flavor. Everything is looking so vibrant and colorful, and the vegetables still have this perfect texture. Nothing soggy at all. This is the kind of fried rice you can confidently take to any special occasion and serve with pride. It holds up beautifully, tastes amazing, and truly stand the test of time. Thank you for watching.